Hello everyone, and welcome to this course, Python for Beginners. In this first module, we'll dive into the basics, an introduction to Python. Whether you're completely new to programming or just new to Python, this course is designed to get you started on the right foot. I'm Ralph, and I'm excited to guide you through this journey of learning one of the most popular and versatile programming languages out there. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language, which means it's closer to human language and doesn't need to be compiled before running. It was created by Guido van Rossum back in the late 1980s and officially released in 1991. One of the biggest reasons Python is so popular today is because of its simplicity and readability. Its clean and easy to understand syntax makes it a great choice for beginners and professionals alike. Now, why should you learn Python? First of all, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. Python's syntax is simple and clean, making it one of the easiest programming languages to pick up, even if you have no prior coding experience. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Python is extremely powerful and widely used in many fields, like web development Globe for building dynamic websites and web apps, data science bar graph for analyzing and visualizing data, machine learning robot to build smart applications and AI models, automation robot to save time by automating repetitive tasks, game development video game yes, even for making games. Plus, Python has a massive community and a huge ecosystem of libraries and tools that make development faster and easier. So, whatever your goal is, Python is a great place to start. Python isn't just popular among beginners, it's trusted by some of the biggest companies in the world. For example, Google Green Circle uses Python for many of its core systems and tools. Netflix Popcorn relies on Python for data analysis and content recommendations. Facebook Thumbs Up uses it for infrastructure management and back-end services. NASA Rocket has used Python in various scientific and engineering projects. And Instagram Camera with Flash, one of the largest photo-sharing platforms, runs much of its back-end on Python. This just shows how versatile and powerful Python is. It scales from small projects to massive, global applications. Great job making it through this introduction. In the next video, we'll get hands-on by installing Python on your system and writing your very first Python program. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next lesson, where the real coding begins.